Hello everyone. I am here to discuss about the case study of OZ dispatch, and we need to create a network diagram for this company. So here's my contribution, and I'm Harsha Iniyala, and my number is 120937994. And in this, my contribution in this project starts with the model of addressing and naming. So in this addressing and naming, it's mostly given by the DHCP server, which we have in Internet Service Provider, uh, which we gave with the Internet Service Provider, which we have in the main office with the DH with the other servers. This IP address are created by DHCP. And coming to the logical network design, so here the parameter, the main office, here we gave internet service provider, two internet service providers, which is primary one and secondary one. We gave two because if we lose one, we'll get the internet from the second one. This protocol is mainly used these protocols are used these days to prevent of loss of internet and all. So for this internet service provider, we gave a VPN server with the DMZ firewall, which helps to connect. Which DMZ server is used for the security purpose and also for the best connectivity around here. And there is also different servers which we said DHCP server and file transfer server and other HTTP server, which is also connected to the internet service provider. And from this internet service provider, it directly goes to the remote access VPN. In this helps if the internet service provider is connected to the remote access server, which will also provide the wireless networking, wireless internet. Now, this is the main diagram which I like to explain it more clearly. So here we can see that DMZ firewall is being surrounded by VPN server, and there are DHCP server, DNS server, file transfer server, and radius server, which helps to have the connection with which helps to retrieve the messages from the user, and also helps to have provide IP addresses, and also helps to have uh, more security for this protocols. Now, for internet service provider is directly connected to the routers, and this IP address like 192.168.20.16 is uh, given by DHCP server, which I already said before. Now, each company have this company have different operational units, which in each operational units we have a manager and delivery drivers. So in this, each delivery drivers have their own phones. Phones which were provided by the organization, and this organization provided the phone with limited apps. So, and for that, it has internet service provider which has two primary and secondary, which helps to uh, helps to have an uh, which helps to have which helps to give a continuous internet service. ISP and same router will have a direct link to the access point because it, in which it will provide the wireless connection, or else it can't provide the wireless connection. And the VPN IP pool, which is 192.168.101.0.24/24, only serves up to 254 hosts. We were designed to give like that. We did. Now, as I said earlier, VPN pool it's 192.168.101.0/24, which has up to 254 hosts, and this access will give you the wireless connection. Now coming to discussion of routing and switching protocols. So we'll start with the BGP, which is Border Gateway Protocol, which helps to gives the stability and reachability, which internet service provider needs it, and it helps to connect the internet very easily. And now next come to the static route, which helps to connect directly, direct connection, which helps to have a direct connection by a best way, like it will give you the best path to connect the wireless connection. Okay, now open shortlist path first, like OSPF, which helps to affecting routing mechanism in which if a person requests for the message, if it goes to the local server, and it will provide the fastest way to go to server, and it also helps to give an efficient routing mechanism, and it also helps to have very standardized and provide easy mechanism for administration and also for the troubleshooting. Now VRRP, which is virtual router reduction protocol, which helps which helps if active router does not work. It helps as a backup router, and it helps as a backup router, and it will connect to the server if active router does not work. Now VLAN, which is known to everyone, and this will help to avoid collision. Uh, Thank you, and this is my contribution for this assignment. And